Hello everyone, we are going to our next topic, ampicillin. Ampicillin, it is a antibiotics, okay, and it is beta-lactam antibiotic, type of beta-lactam antibiotic. This is structure of ampicillin. This is a basic ring of 6 amino penicillinic acid. Means what? This is beta-lactam ring, okay, 4 member ring, double bond O and N, and this one is thiazolidine ring. Both rings are fused together. This ring is known as 6 amino penicillinic acid, and this is R is replaced from C6H5CHNH2 group. So R is replaced from C6H5CHNH2 C double bond O NH. So this is whole structure is known as ampicillin, okay, and C double bond O NH, and this one part, that is penicillinic acid, okay. So that is R replaced from C6H5CHNH2 group, okay. This is ampicillin structure. Now physical properties: color white crystalline powder, odor odorless, solubility slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ether and chloroform. उसका कलर क्या है? वाइट क्रिस्टलाइन पाउडर, ओडर ओडरलेस, नो एनी स्मेल, सॉल्युबिलिटी स्लाइडली सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, वाटर में कम परम में डिजॉल्व होते हैं, ईथर एंड क्लोरोफॉर्म में प्रैक्टिकली इनसॉल्युबल, डिजॉल्व नहीं होते. सो दिस इज फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एम्पिसिलिन. Now uses: it is used to treat respiratory and urinary tract infection caused by susceptible organism, and intravenously for meningitis caused by Listeria monocytogenes and susceptible strain of Hemomorphis influenza. So this is uses of ampicillin. Now next, amoxicillin. This is structure of amoxicillin, okay, and this one part is 6 amino penicillinic acid, in short 6 APA, okay, and this is R is replaced from benzene ring OH group and CHNH2. This is a replacement of this side chain, that is OH benzene ring CHNH2, that is whole structure is known as amoxicillin. Now physical properties: color fine white crystalline powder, test bitter test. What is about solubility? Slightly soluble in water. What is uses? It is more acid stable than ampicillin, so better suited for oral use. Means what? It is a more acidic nature, means it is more acidic stable than ampicillin, okay, and it is so better suited for oral use. Orally use केलं जातं amoxicillin, and it is a more stable. Now next, phenoxymethyl penicillin. This is a structure of phenoxymethyl penicillin. Yes, it is like a 6 APA structure, okay, that is 6 amino penicillinic acid structure, and this one like R is replaced from C6H5O CH2, okay, and this whole structure is known as phenoxymethyl penicillin. C6H5O, that is phenoxy group, CH2 that is methyl, and this one part is a basic ring of penicillin. So that's why this structure is known as phenoxymethyl penicillin. Now next, physical properties: color white finely crystalline powder, odor odorless, taste slightly bitter, solubility very slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol. मीन्स वाटर में कम क्रम में डिजॉल्व होते हैं और फ्रीली अल्कोहल में डिजॉल्व होते हैं. सो दैट इज़ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़. नाउ स्टोरेज: इट इज़ स्टोर इन टाइटली क्लोज कंटेनर. टाइटली क्लोज कंटेनर में स्टोर करते हैं phenoxymethyl penicillin. Now uses: it is used to treat abscesses, gonorrhea, pharyngititis, pneumonia and pneumococcal infection, tetanus and diphtheria, okay. So this is uses of phenoxymethyl penicillin. Now next, cephalosporins, okay. So this is structure of cephalosporin, okay. So it like penicillin like structure, that is beta lactam ring, but this other ring is dihydrothiazine ring. In that penicillin other ring is there, that is thiazolidine ring, but in cephalosporin this other ring is known as dihydrothiazine ring. Okay, these two rings are fused together. Okay, these two rings are fused together and this whole structure is known as cephalosporin. That is beta lactam ring fused with dihydrothiazine ring and this whole structure is known as cephalosporin. Okay. Yes, cephalosporin introduction. First of all, first point is there. The cephalosporins are a semi-synthetic derivative of cephalosporin C, which is naturally occurring antibiotic obtained from Cephalosporium acremonium. Okay, means what? It is semi-synthetic derivative. Okay, cephalosporin C चा semi-synthetic derivative आहे, which is a naturally occurring antibiotics. Okay, and which obtain source क्या है उसका, which obtained from Cephalosporin agrimonium. This is first point. In that second point, it consists of beta lactam fused with 6-membered dihydrothiazine. Means what? This one like, okay, that is beta lactam ring. Okay, and this one is dihydrothiazine ring. Okay, both rings are fused together. Okay, and in that third point, both form the basic skeleton of cephalosporin. Means two rings are fused together, त्या रिंगला म्हणतात called as 7-amino cephalosporinic acid. Means what? Beta lactam ring fused with dihydrothiazine ring, which are fused together. This ring is known as 7-amino cephalosporinic acid. Okay, and now fourth point, attachment of side chain to 7-amino cephalosporin acid yielded semi-synthetic cephalosporin of clinical useness. Okay, means what? जो side chain है that is RNH. So this is a side chain of or to 7-amino cephalosporin acid yielded semi-synthetic cephalosporins of clinical usefulness. Okay, so that is third point, clinically usefulness है. And last one point is there, that is they are bactericidal in nature. Yes, so killing of microorganisms or killing of bacteria. Okay, and effective against gram positive and gram negative organisms. Yes, किसके अगेंस्ट इफेक्टिव है? ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया मीन्स ग्राम पॉजिटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड ग्राम निगेटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो दिस इज अ cephalosporin. Okay, this is structure of cephalosporin and this is a introduction or description of cephalosporin. Now next, non-lactam antibiotics. Okay, this is second part of or second type of antibiotics, so that is non-lactam antibiotics. Okay, so first कौन सा type था? beta lactam antibiotic. Second one is non-lactam antibiotic without any beta lactam ring. Okay, in that first antibiotics containing hydronaphthacin ring. Okay, फर्स्ट टाइप है उसका, उसमें एग्जाम्पल है टेट्रासाइक्लिन्स. ओके, दिस इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टेट्रासाइक्लिन. ओके, दिस इज अ नैफ्थैलिन रिंग. ओके, नैफ्थासिलिन ring, that is 1 2 3 4 like fused together, means 4 rings are fused together. So this ring is known as naphthacin ring. Okay, so this structure is tetracycline. Yes, that is tetracycline. Why tetracycline? Because 4 rings are fused together or like a cycle ring, like ring form. So that is whole structure is known as tetracycline. So this is structure of tetracycline. Now what is about tetracycline? So first of all, sources. Tetracyclines are group of antibiotics that contain tetracycline hydronaphthacin skeleton and obtained from Streptomyces species. Okay, means what? A group of antibiotics that contain tetracyclic hydronaphthacin skeleton and obtained from Streptomyces species. Okay, so this is a source of tetracycline. Now properties: color yellow crystalline powder, test is bitter test, solubility very slightly soluble in water. Now storage condition: it is stored in well closed container protected from light. Now uses: they are used against gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Means what? gram positive and gram negative bacteria के against tetracycline medicine use करते हैं. That is first use. Now second use, they also use for रेक्टिसिडल इन्फेक्शंस. ओके, रिकेट्स है, रिकेट्स के इन्फेक्शन के लिए टेट्रासाइक्लिन यूज़ करते हैं. Now third, it is broad spectrum antibiotic used for Leggy and Chlora. Okay, so that is Leggy and Chlora के लिए सुद्धा ब्लड ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम अँटीबायोटिक आहे, त्याच्यासाठी सुद्धा टेट्रासायक्लिन यूज करतात. And it is used for urinary tract infection. So this is a uses of tetracycline. Now official preparation: tetracycline tablet, tetracycline capsule and tetracycline injection. Okay, these are official preparations. Okay, now types of tetracycline. These are two types. First type is chlorotetracycline, also known as aureomycin, and second type is oxytetracycline, also named teramycin. Okay, so this is two type of tetracycline: chlorotetracycline and oxytetracycline. In that chlorotetracycline, this is structure of chlorotetracycline. This position, that is chlorine atom, is here on first ring. Okay, and whole structure is similar. Okay, that is tetracycline. What is about chlorotetracycline? First point, it is a first tetracycline obtained from Streptomyces aureofacius. Okay, मीन्स फर्स्ट टेट्रासाइक्लिन है ऑप्टेन किसके सोर्स क्या है उसका? स्ट्रिप्टोमाइसिस ऑरियोफेसियस. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ अबाउट कलर? येलो क्रिस्टलाइन पाउडर. सॉल्युबिलिटी क्या है उसकी? स्पैरिंगली सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, वाटर में कम क्रम में डिजॉल्व है, और एसिड एंड अल्कली में डिजॉल्व होते हैं. सॉल्युबल इन एसिड एंड अल्कली सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज क्लोरोटेट्रासाइक्लिन. नाउ ऑक्सीटेट्रासाइक्लिन, in that position OH group is here, that is double bond is here, and this is oxytetracycline. Now what is about oxytetracycline? It is pale yellow antibiotic obtained from a culture of Streptomyces rameseus. And in that second point, other tetracycline are rolitetracycline, methacycline, demicyclocycline and doxycycline. Okay, so this is oxytetracycline. These are two type, chlorotetracycline and oxytetracycline. And next our next part in our next lecture.